Look at that, everybody. Look at the green on the bubbles. That is incredible. That is transcending. That is a reminder as to why we don't invest in stocks. Look at this incredible movement from mainly all the layer 1 blue chips and altcoins today. Look at that Luna Classic stealing the show. Is there still more room for growth for Terra Luna Classic? Let's find out in this video the latest with everything Terra Luna Classic. If you're new here, by the way, subscribe to the channel. Get yourself into the Discord. People are having some great conversations in there. You can find that all down below. So Terra Luna Classic is up 42%. Crikey, this is crazy. We're now trading at $0.0004, so we are sailing our way slowly to that $0.0005 level. $2.5 billion market cap, guys. Yes, that is incredible. It even looks like it might try to achieve 5 billion this year. Trading volume is up massively as well, and looking at the last 7 days, it's just looking completely euphoric and parabolic and absolutely incredible. So yeah, let's remind ourselves that there's a lot of greed and euphoria, and the sentiment around Luna Classic right now is just absolute savagely greed. Okay, so try not to FOMO in and chase these green candles, because it's just like the Pied Piper, you know, trying to reel you in, and then, you know, you're already at the top, and then it's just too late, right? Bam. And the bubble bursts. So maybe it won't happen on Terra Luna Classic, but there are some crazy bearish patterns I do want to share with you. So first of all, we're just going to have a look at some news, because I think it's quite important that we understand this. So MEXC Global becomes first top exchange to support Terra Luna Classic burn initiative. Over 25 million Luna Classic has been burned already, so that's quite a significant amount. MEXC, the centralized exchange, supports LUNC community efforts to reduce the excess supply of Terra Luna Classic tokens. To support the ban tax proposal from the Terra Classic Luna Classic community, MEXC will launch a limited time burning event for spot trading fees of Luna Classic USDT and Luna Classic over USDC. So this is really, really nice. It's obviously creating a bit of urgency. It's adding more volume across the exchange. All the Luna rebels and the Luna army and the Luna, you know, gang, they're going to be completely on this and trying to increase as much volume as possible. So as per the Luna Classic tax proposal, which recommends that a 1.2% tax be applied on all chain transactions and burn, MEXC says the spot trading fee for Luna Classic trading pairs will be adjusted to 1.2%. So that's extremely bullish. Another crazy bit of bullish announcements over here. This is really interesting, actually. Kucoin ran out of Luna Classic. Binance Luna Classic trading volume crosses 1 billion as Terra Luna Classic up 70% in 24 hours. And there's actually a tweet right here. As you see, so many people are buying Luna Classic that several exchanges, including Kucoin, hit their maximum limit. Madness. Luna Classic is sold out. It is literally sold out. This is like the Black Friday of crypto right here. Like, it's gone. The platform's total Luna Classic holdings in the margin market have reached a maximum limit. Margin orders of buying Luna Classic have been temporarily suspended. I've never seen anything like this in the crypto world before, so it's insane. Let's check out the volume, see if it correlates. Loads from Kucoin as expected, got a lot from Gay, and the majority is of course from Binance. By the way, guys, if you're new to the channel, smash subscribe, get yourself into the Discord channel. Everyone is talking about Luna Classic, crypto, and much, much more. You can find that all below, but that subscribe seriously helps. So just a little click would be really nice. So what's going on? Let's have a look. This is what I want to tell you about, guys. This is what's seriously shocking. This bottom to top, we saw a healthy move of 290%. So far, the bottom from here on 9th of August, 500%. 500%. How much more can you actually ask from Terra Luna Classic in a bear market? We have to understand that we are in a bear market. And from the actual bottom over here, the move has been even more significant. 1000%. We've seen a 10x for Luna Classic already. So how much more can we realistically expect? It's hard to say. Of course, we have some key support levels, which we're going to look at now. Let's move this so we've got a bit more space. We're on the daily time frame. Bollinger Bands, massively overextended. The 20-day moving average is just a thing of the past right now. You know, we're over here and the price is all the way up here. So that's alarming. That is quite alarming, to be honest. So yeah, 20-day EMA is just absolutely miles away. That's one thing that we gotta consider here. And I don't like seeing that 20-day moving average so far away, to be honest. In my opinion, it doesn't look too healthy. Being so overextended. So what I wanted to show you guys is a very, very interesting pattern. First of all, let's just understand what's happened with the previous correction phases. This swing high over here, we came down to the 0.5 fib. That's fine. That's not a problem. You know, it's normal to do that. This swing high to low, we've come down to the 0.382 between the 0.5 fib. So there's been a correction, but we're going to go to the 4-hour time frame now and look at that. We have ourselves a broadening rising wedge or a broadening ascending channel. Typically, this is a rather bearish reversal pattern, so we'd be expecting a loss of support here and effectively a pullback in the price here for Terra Luna Classic. We're in the 4-hour time frame. We can see we are clearly very, very much overbought, and there is still a humongous bearish divergence just sitting there before our very own eyes on this time frame. As we see, higher high, oops, let's remove that one. As we see, higher high on the price, and we've got a lower high on the relative strength index. So classic bearish divergence forming. But let's talk about this, you know, broadening rising wedge right here. So we're getting a lot of volatility, of course. You know, we're getting a swing high to the resistance trend line, which is normal. But if we quickly go to the hourly time frame, I can show you why it's looking quite bearish. So this is the broadening rising wedge, where we are basically retesting support multiple times, but we're failing to come back up to the resistance. Now, it's not converging like a symmetrical triangle. It's doing the opposite, right? So they're going away from each other, the resistance trend line, the support trend line, and that means the volatility is increasing per swing. And I don't know how much longer we can truly actually put through another swing. Can we actually go through to 0.005 at this rate? It sounds or seems very crazy. It's possible. We're printing another green hourly candle, but if we did, this is going to nullify a lot of traditional technical analysis, right? Because effectively, this is a bearish reversal pattern. So what we'd be wanting to see, or the books were telling us that we should lose support here and then retest and then continue back down maybe to even 0.0003 or something like that before taking off once again. And what you can also see here, if we go to a larger time frame, maybe no, this says smaller time frame, let's go to the 30-minute. In my opinion, maybe you can disagree, but I can actually see the formation of a slanted double top, which is also a bearish reversal pattern. As we see, we've got this swing high, we've got the next swing high, and what we have is ourselves a slanted double top with the neckline being this particular support at 0.00036. So whilst I think it's phenomenal what Terra Luna Classic is doing, and it's actually really respecting this support trend line, as you see, respect support, respect support. Will it respect support again? I have no idea. Hopefully we can see continuation, but I just want to share this with you because it's the most crazy pattern I've seen for a coin that's pumping so much. This broadening, ascending, whatever rising wedge you want to call it, it just looks absolutely insane. So I am expecting a bit of a pullback here to lose support, to be honest, of this particular pattern. Maybe even come down to the 0.000369 level, something like that. I just expect a bit of a fake out. I expect we pull back, we fall out, and then see continuation. Not that I think Terra Luna Classic isn't going to knock off another zero. I still think great things will happen for this coin, and it's community based right now, and everyone is thriving. There's excitement. I just think this looks a little bit bearish, in my opinion. And we can see here, an ascending broadening wedge is a bearish chart pattern, said to be a reversal pattern. It's formed by two diverging bullish lines. That's the word I was looking for, right? An ascending broadening wedge is confirmed valid if it has a good oscillation between the two upward lines. The upper line is the resistance and the lower is the support. So that's exactly what we were just talking about. And that's why I do honestly think it's possible that we will lose support, come down, retest, maybe even come down here at worst before blasting off to the upside, you know, just taking a small pullback to these previous support levels. And I'm not saying it means Terra Luna Classic is failing. I just think it's a healthy path. Otherwise, we might just end up getting something where we do come up to this crazy level, retest resistance, come up crazy amounts, and then just bang, bang, bang all the way down. Like a massive, huge correction. And that's what you don't want. You don't want that. You don't want that overextension. You don't want to lose that support. Let's quickly check the volume before we go. Volume's looking good on the hour. Volume's looking extremely good here too. To be honest, it's just so bullish, isn't it? Freaking going to the moon, guys. What else can you say? Yeah, so that's about a wrap really. Crypto fear and greed index, we're sitting at 22 today. Retailers are feeling the tremor within their bones once again. But yeah, that's about a wrap, guys. If you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button. It really helps. Can you help me hit 6,000 subscribers before September ends? Like, comment, get yourself in the Telegram, the Discord channel, and let me know any other coins you'd like me to take a look at. See you soon.